So we were learning about the if-else statement and how to tell the computer, if something is true, do this, else do that. But what if I have more than one condition to be met? What if I want to write the code that takes the same integer as input from the user as in the last video, but this time the user can enter 0 as the number if they wish? Then I would want to write a code that does this. If the condition num is more than 0 is true, it prints this number is positive, just like in the last video. But then, if the condition num is equal to 0 is true, I want it to print this number is 0. And if neither of these conditions are true, then that means that num is less than 0. And then I want it to print this number is negative. So as you can see, in this kind of a program, I have more than one condition to be met. So we can use the else-if statement in C++ to do this. The else-if statement comes under the if, and it can be used in the same command to add more conditions. So, in this case, to execute the program that we just talked about, I can go back to the code from the last video and add another condition in. Over here, we say that if num is more than 0, it prints out this number is positive. But then, if num is equal to 0, I want it to print out this number is 0. So, under the if statement, I can say else if, open parentheses, and inside I could write my new condition, which is num is equal to 0. And if this condition is true, I want it to print out this number is 0. You can use as many else-if statements as you'd like. You can add 10, 20, or more conditions. Now, when I run this program, if I enter the number 0, it returns this number is 0. Great, that's the result that we wanted. So this is how you can use the else-if statement in C++.